Here's a hanging solar light. This was sent to me so I could try it out. You've got this charging cords. The actual light came out of the box like this, so you can see that you can squish it back down so it's nice and easy to store, and then it unfolds into a nice long light. You also have a bag you can keep it in. This is a solar and USB charging built-in battery, waterproof, inflatable LED tube. So this is great for camping. You can see on here they have it like in the tent, lining the tent. So hilarious timing. Our power just went out again. We just had a horrible storm. Now our power's out. So now I am blowing this up. I love that they included this. This works really well. But once you get it in there, wow, that was super fast. So it's actually still daytime and light out right now, but this will be great for the bathroom at night once it gets dark out. Okay, the next step is to clip this together to make like a little base, but I'm kind of struggling a little bit with that. Okay, I got it. Just have to kind of squeeze and push it together. And now you just push this in there, and you've got a little slot for the charging port and the buttons. So now it can sit like this. And here is what, it's pretty bright. And then let's play with these. You've got this warmer light. Then you've got red, blinking red. This would be good for camping if you're having a struggle. And there we go. So this is excellent. Like, the timing couldn't be better. Yeah, the timing couldn't be better. We've got, I didn't even charge this yet. This is right from the box, and I didn't even charge it. So it's fully working. And we do also have the solar panel charging option. So hopefully our power comes back on soon. But if not, I'll leave this sit outside in the sun tomorrow. So it'll be all charged back up. I love this because we can hang it or just sit it like this. Looks like we get a nice little lightsaber in the bedroom next to the ghosts. And it really gives off quite a bit of light. So this is very helpful here at home for power outages. Also, obviously camping. I would also like to keep it in my car because if something ever happens on the road, you could use that flashing red light. And look at that. Doesn't look like it's getting any nicer out either. So yes, grateful to have this. Actually want more of them for travel and to keep in the car. Okay, it's night and dark out now, still no power, and look how much this brightens up the room. Yeah, it's a mess, okay, but I can actually function. It brightens up the room enough to like do things. So again, I love it.